Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. And if you want to know that how to use Siri in Android devices, then this video is for you. So if I give you a quick answer about this question, then the quick answer is you actually can use Siri on Android devices. Just because of Android and iOS versions is a two different world. So Siri is only for iOS version devices, the iOS users. So only iOS user can use or experience the Siri's assistance on their iOS devices. So if you are an Android user, so don't worry, there's a lot of feature that can assist you on your device. So you can just go to the Play Store and you can search for voice access here, not this. Now search for voice access, and here it is, the application that you have to download. As you can see, I have just installed it on my device. So you can just go to the voice access. Let me show you. Here it is. Now tap on voice access here and tap on OK to give all the permissions. The voice access, now give the voice access permission. Now allow, and shortcut also allow. After that, you can just tap on this option here and tap on continue and tap on allow. Now tap on it, and if I commanded anything like, not this actually, now like open the call section or call someone on my contact, anything I can command it. So just like this, if I just command it for just like this, if I go to the voice assistant here, now listen to command whenever my screen is on, or stop listening after 30 seconds of inactivity. So you can just choose both of choose the first one, the recommended on, then tap on continue and tap on while using the app. Now after set up now tap on download English. So it will download the English voice for you, voice recognizer for you. So it will take a little while to download the English voice recognizer on that application. So you can just talk in English and you can just give any command in English, and this voice assistant will access your voice and get your voice and decode your voice, and it will just do the task that you have command for to this assistant. So you have to wait while it download. Then you can just simply tap on this voice icon here, and it will open up a voice circle where you can just talk or give any comment. So your device will work, and or this assistant will work like Siri. So that's how you can just experience Siri in Android devices. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.